In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify self-serve returns. We're going to walk through how to turn this feature on in your Shopify admin, set up your return rules, and then make sure your return and refund policy matches what customers will actually experience. By the end, your customers will be able to start a return themselves, which saves you time and reduces support tickets. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store's admin. You'll land on the main dashboard where you can see your orders, products, and analytics. From here, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where all of your store's core configuration lives, including customer accounts and returns. Inside Settings, find and click on Customer Accounts. This section controls how your customers log in, what they can see, and which self-service options are available to them. On the Customer Accounts page, look for the option labeled Self-Serve Returns. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click that toggle to turn self-serve returns on. Once it's enabled, your customers will be able to request returns from their account without needing to email you first. This is the key step that activates the feature. Next, you'll want to fine-tune how returns actually work. Still on the same page, look for Return Rules and click on it. These rules define things like which orders are eligible for return, how long after purchase customers can request a return, and any conditions you want to apply. To quickly configure these details, click on Manage next to Return Rules. Here, carefully set your preferences. For example, how many days after delivery a return is allowed, which items are returnable, and any restrictions you need for your business. Take a moment to make sure these rules match how you already handle returns operationally. Once your rules are set, you need to update what your customers see. Go back to Settings, then click on Legal. In this section, find Return and Refund Policy and click on it. This is the policy text that appears on your online store, often in the footer or checkout. Now, add your updated return rules and information into your return and refund policy. Make sure the language clearly reflects the self-serve process, how customers start a return, any time limits, conditions, and what outcomes they can expect, like refunds or store credit. Keep it simple and easy to understand. When you're happy with the wording, scroll down and click Save. That's it. Your Shopify self-serve returns are now turned on, configured, and clearly communicated to your customers.